Navigating the low-fat English vocabulary landscape. Hello, language learners. Today, we're venturing into the healthy world of low-fat diets. We'll discuss important vocabulary and phrases used in the realm of low-fat food and dietary discussions. So, if you're not only aiming to maintain a healthy diet but also wishing to enrich your English language skills, then you're in the right place. Before we dive in, let's clarify what we mean by low-fat. When a food is described as low-fat, it simply means that it contains a small amount of fat. The specific amount can vary depending on local regulations, but generally, it implies the food is healthier and less likely to lead to weight gain or other health problems. Now that we're on the same page, let's explore some keywords and phrases related to a low-fat diet. Many foods naturally have a low fat content, while others are specially processed to reduce their fat content. Some examples of low-fat foods are: lean meats are cuts of meat that have little fat, like chicken breast or turkey. Skimmed milk is milk from which almost all the fat has been removed. Whole grains like brown rice or whole wheat bread are generally low in fat. Fruits and vegetables are naturally low in fat. Legumes like lentils and chickpeas are also low in fat. Remember these words as they frequently appear in dietary conversations and meal planning discussions. Low-fat diets often involve using certain cooking methods that minimize the addition of extra fats. Let's look at some common terms. Grilling or broiling involves cooking food on a grill, under or over direct heat. Steaming is cooking food using the steam from boiling water. Poaching is gently simmering food in water or a flavorful liquid. Roasting in a hot oven can be done with a minimal amount of oil. Sautéing with a small amount of oil or cooking spray in a hot pan is another option. These terms are essential when talking about preparing low-fat meals. When grocery shopping, you'll encounter several terms on food labels. Understanding them can help maintain a low-fat diet. Light or light often means a product has less fat, but always check the label to be sure. Reduced fat means the product has less fat than the regular version, but it might not be low fat. Fat-free means a product contains less than 0.5 grams of fat per serving. But be aware, it could still contain calories from sugars. Remember, reading and understanding food labels is a crucial skill for maintaining a low-fat diet. There you have it. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the vocabulary surrounding low-fat foods and dietary practices. Remember these terms and use them when discussing food, planning meals, or grocery shopping. Keep practicing, and you'll be a low-fat diet conversation expert in no time. Until next time, happy learning and healthy eating.